Right guys, so again the continuation of unboxing rare Kyosho Mini Z's, and we have got one from the UK and 2 boxes from Japan. Now saying that guys, there still is another version to come because I've got Spain, one to come from Spain, and I think another order from Japan, or another 2, can't remember. But anyway, let's crack on with this. In this one, we've got some of the Japanese kits, which are pretty cool. I might have to split this video up a little bit, but let's have a look at the UK one first. So, let's get this. Oh, that's some crazy packaging. Can't even find the blooming thing. Right. Alright, so this is the bombshell, guys. I actually had this as a 110 scale RC, and well, kind of my brothers and we broke it. But I always liked the shape. Okay, the display case isn't really on this, but yeah, that is a little beauty though. So that's the D2 Hardcore. Oh, I've got this wicked Lamborghini coming, guys. You've never seen nothing like it in gold, yeah? It's absolutely mind-blowing. Wait till you see that one. It's kind of got the same decal. It's got the D2 Arcore, was it Encore? Arcore decal set, but that one looks absolutely mind-blowing. It's probably it's going to be my favourite Mini Z. Honestly, even though I haven't even arrived yet, I can tell you it's going to be my favourite. So, we'll see it on this display stand, guys, in its full glory, so don't worry if you're not getting the real deal just yet. This display case is crap, so let's get it out of there. Much better. Okay, let's get rid of that. So, I don't know, man, I've always liked that. And when I do my performance cars versus street cars, I think that'll look pretty cool. Right, so you can go over here at the back somewhere. Are you going to see him there? I don't think you are. Put him on top of a Fast and Furious lot. Over here. Right, okay, let's get on. So this is a mix. There may be some new and some pre-owned stuff. But even the pre-owned stuff in Japan is pretty cool. Yeah, shout out to Hiro. This hasn't been a smooth transaction between me and him, but anyway, so shout out to him because his packaging is awesome, and he's probably put 3 lots of Kit Kats, which he has. All right, cool. So let's get into these. All right. Okay, so he's done the boxed ones together. So it looks like the new ones are together, and the pre-owned ones, which will be the next bit, they're together. But yo, don't think the pre-owned ones aren't cool. They are cool. They're pretty cool. Okay, I don't really know what that is. I thought it was a Kit Kat and it's not a Kit Kat. I don't know what that is. Is it some Japanese sweet? If you know what that is, put it in the comments here, because I ain't got a clue. Looks like little bamboo shoots. Okay, I had this in a pre-owned version, but guys, I liked it that much I wanted it as a new one. And here we've got the Porsche 911 GT3 RSR number 45, and this is the Almis 2006 version. And I don't know, just the decals, man. I just like that serpent and music kind of look. So, but I think this has gone to second place at my favourite Porsches, because that Red Bull one was a killer. If you didn't see the Red Bull one, it's in the last video. That smashed it, man. That Red Bull one killed it. So, okay, right, let's put you over here. Okay, let's get another one out. So some of these are cars that I've had before. This one I've had a different. Oh, that's a Kit Kat, Japanese Kit Kat. Okay, you can go over there. And I have had one of these. I can tell what it is. I think it's one of them Skyliner GTR something, like a test car version. There's that many of these red Skyliners. Honestly, there's the Xambia version, the Motul version. We've got this version here. But they do look crazy though. So, well, this is the Xambia, what it's called, Exanavi Nismo GTR Super GT GT500 pre-season test car 2008. Let's have a look at this little bad boy. Don't worry guys, if you can't see it in its full glory, it will be on the display stand and you will see it. I don't mind opening my stuff for you guys. Normally I would never open this stuff, but I will for you guys, don't worry. You'll get to see it in its full glory, so put you over there. Right, one left. I haven't got a clue what that is either. If you live in Japan or are Japanese, please comment below, because is that a Japanese sweet? I don't know. And again guys, if you've seen my videos before, you will know this is my all-time favourite body shell. All-time favourite. G-Zox guys got it right on this one. They smashed it, yeah. Because I'm not saying I'm a picky kind of guy, but I'm not fickle. I don't just fall in love with the first thing I see. It's got to be eye-catching and pretty cool to get me going. And this is the G-Zox Hasemi Z 2005, or Z if you live in America. And what it is guys is that I've got this, but I'm going to use one of them in my vids, so I don't care if it gets trashed. So it might be this one. Didn't they get it right? What a wicked colour scheme, man. Don't worry, you're going to see it on the display stand. And it's got the gold wheels, black and luminous orange. It just looks killer. It looks amazing. And they've even got the chrome effect on the roof. Super GT, guys. They have got it right. They smashed it with that one. Okay. Right. So, we'll put it on the display stands, have a look at it. And the next vid is going to be this one, guys. And this is our last box for this, for these videos anyway, because there are another two coming, which have got some cool stuff. But guys, wow, I am so spoiled, man. I'm so blessed, honestly. These are like, well, I never thought I'd be getting these Mini Zs. I know they're not real cars, okay? But, you know, they're still cool, man. They're still cool. And I love that baby there, man. And have an extra police car, Fast and Furious kit. Oh man, I am just so grateful, honestly. So right, okay. I'll let you see them on the display stand. And next vid is this box here. So this is a bit of a mixture, and there's a really cool GTR in here, guys. You need to look at it. And there's a really cool chassis that I've got. It's a drift one. Yeah, I always wanted stuff with the stickers on the wheels. Well, I have got them in here and they look fantastic. Alright, tune in for the next vid, guys. Okay guys, quick twirl off the Mercedes D2 version, which is kind of cool. Out of all the Mercedes shells that the Mini Zs have done, guys, this is definitely one that I really do like. So this is the Mercedes CLK, and I think it looks pretty cool. I mean, I do prefer the Audi DTM, the way that's flared out. I think if the Mercedes fenders were more flared out and more grills, I would have loved it a lot more. But the decals on this are amazing. Had this as a 110 scale touring car, and it looked fantastic. So I thought, when I saw Mini Z had done it, I was like, yo, I definitely need to get that. And that will be in my videos off. It's making a right weird humming sound. My little display thing is. But anyway, thank you for turning off on cue. So that will definitely be on in my videos when I do the street racing vids. So yeah, hard to get hold of, guys, and in America and Japan you are paying some money for that. Managed to get in the UK, haggled the guy a little bit, got a decent price for it. So yeah, the D2 and R-Core decals, guys, I've got this Lamborghini coming. It's gonna blow your mind. You actually see that. That's probably gonna be my all-time favourite Kyosho Mini Z car. It's got some crazy deep dish wheels that are chrome, and them decals are just amazing. I've got a lot of Mini Zs that I like, but I think that's hit the #1 spot. So be ready to watch that one, because yo, it looks awesome. So guys, we're just going to give it a quick spin on the display stand just to look at it in its packaging, its display box, and then we'll take this little bad boy out, and the birds are still at it. So I think they want to commentate on my videos because I'm probably not really good at it. But anyway, I don't know how you pronounce that. Exana V Nismo GTR Super GT GT500, and this particular one is the pre-season car, which was a test car for the 2008 season. So without further ado, let's get it out of there and have a look at it. Okay guys, so This is definitely in my top 5. It was my favourite, but there are a few others that have hit the top spot as well. But yeah, the colour scheme of this have smashed it, guys. This is a G-Zox Hasemi Z 2005, or Hasemi Z if you're in England. But yeah, I mean, there's a fair few Hasemi shells that are okay. I do like them. But with this one, I think they got it absolutely right, guys. The colour scheme is fantastic. I like the chrome on the roof as well. Now in there, it's not doing justice. This is brand new, well packed. I wouldn't be taking this out, guys, but to show you a lot. And I may use it in a video as well. Okay. And here again, guys, we have got the Porsche 911 GT3 version. And this is an RSR. And most of the decals on this one, I've got the flying lizard on it. And the music symbol on top. But I just thought it was just so cool. Just looks so abstract. Kind of an amazing body shell, guys. So we'll have a little twirl on it, with it on here. I had a pre-owned version. I thought, you know what, I'll get this new. And there's no way I would unpack this, guys, but obviously for purpose of the vid, yes, I will. Okay, let's have a look at it. Outside the display case in its full glory. Let's go. And just to add, I don't know why all Mini Zs aren't packed like this, because you can tell this is brand new. I'm the one that's going to actually open it. So I buy a lot of new ones, but they don't seem to have this plastic kind of coating. Does that mean that they're not brand new, or is it something new that they started? I don't know, but yeah. Okay, let's take a look at it on the stand. So yeah, definitely is nice, and definitely is one that is worth putting in the fleet. Got a beautiful look to it, and the tinted out windows, absolutely awesome. So that's definitely a candidate for when I do my performance cars versus street cars and my drag racing Kyosho Mini Z drag races. So yeah, definitely got it right. They do the other was it Steiner version, which wasn't impressive at all. The decals were really bland. And then they had the AMG version, which wasn't bad because it had nice AMG going across the actual side of it in decals. Wasn't bad, and if I was to get another one, that'd be the one. But this one's totally smashed it. You can't beat the D2, you know, version that they've got here right now. There just seems to be a lot going on there. So yep, right, let's move on, guys. But yeah, I mean, because of the price mark, I thought, you know what, I'm not paying that much for it. Managed to get a really good deal. Pretty happy about that. And it's not just going to be one that's going to be sat on the shelf. I'm actually going to be using that in my vids. So stay tuned for them. That is definitely a very unique body shell, guys. So this is the number 45, and like I mentioned, it has the Flying Lizard logo on it. And I don't know, man, silver and red, silver and orange, silver with black just seems to look pretty cool. Black wheels as well. Yeah, I mean the wheels are okay, but the actual body shell itself is really amazing. I do like the old body shell versions, like the 934, which, because they're kind of blown out at the back with their huge arches, the fenders are blown out. They look pretty cool with some chrome rims on them, but I mean these ones are still very classy, look absolutely amazing. But yeah, so as I mentioned, I had it pre-owned, but I thought I'd like to have one that's new just to keep as a collector's one, and there's no way I'd have taken this one out of its case, but I want you guys to see it properly. So yeah, save you guys from having to take yours out of your cases. You can have a look at it here. Okay, I think that's basically all of the ones that I'm going to be doing that are boxed. Now the ones that I've got are the ones that aren't boxed and they're pre-owned, but they're really beautiful, really worth having a look at, guys. So I'm going to move on to them right now. So that is nice, isn't it, guys? Real beautiful look to it. Okay, so I could sit that there and just look at that all day long, man. It's really cool, really beautiful looking shell, guys. And even though there's not overly decaled out, but it just seems to have a really nice flair. them kind of tricolours of having black, red and silver, it just seems to go well. And as you know, my all-time favourite shell is kind of the same as well. Right, so let's move on, guys, to some of these little bad boys that are waiting in the rings and that are pre-owned but look fantastic. Let's move on. So again, a nice little beauty, guys. I like the touch of the chrome on the actual roof of the car. And this wasn't crazy with decals. You can get this Xanadu version and it's just plastered with decals, but this was something that, you know, you could still run on road. I like the wheels as well. It's got some nice little decals on the wheels. But I just like the kind of three-tone kind of look with the red on the bonnet and the side of the doors, the black at the back, and you've got the chrome on the actual roof of the car. So this was the 2008 season test car, and cool looking car. Pretty rare. I've not seen too many of these test cars flying about on eBay. So yeah, definitely is a bit of a rare find. And like I say, so all of these ones in that version look pretty cool. One to come, I've got the GTR, I think it's the R35, which doesn't seem to be blown out and have, you know, like a lot of body kit on it. And that looks pretty cool. I'm going to make that into a drifting car, but you'll see that in the upcoming vid. Right, let's move on to the other ones. And these are definitely some of the prize shells, guys. And coming up is one of my favourite shells, which is the Nismo Hasemi GT 2005, which is that is my all-time one of favourites. Anyway, we'll move on to that now. That is a real beauty, guys. I think that's probably one of my favourite Kyosho Mini Zs that have ever come out. You know, and the case of this one wasn't in great condition. I got another one as a spare because I want to use that in my videos, and I want to have one that if I bash it a little bit, I won't get too upset. But I really like that car. I mean, I don't know what you guys think of it, each to their own, but I think they just got it right. That colour scheme is just amazing. The orange and the black and silver, wherever I've seen that, even with the P1 that they brought out now, it just looks totally crazy, guys. And I've been so tempted to rob them gold wheels and put them on other cars, but I haven't. But that's when I felt that, you know, I think there's only a few that I've looked at and thought, oh my goodness, that is beautiful. That is just show-stopping. There was a Renault RS version, not the new ones that come out, guys. They're not all that. But there's an RS version that I've never ever seen come up for sale. That's probably the one other car that I looked at and thought, whoa, I'd like to get that. But it's never come up. I've never seen it. But this, it has become rare. But there are some flying around, and in Japan you can still get hold of them. So there are still some out there. But generally, you know, it's pretty hard to get hold of. And I liked it that much, I got a second one coming just so that I can use that in videos, and I won't feel guilty if I end up scratching it or damaging it. So that one will go into storage, this one will get used in the videos. And I want to show you guys the roof of this car. If I can just put the car flat, yeah, it's got a mirror effect on there, so really nice. I like that on when they do them on Mini Zs, I like that. Number 3 on there as well, aerial shots. But yeah, that definitely is a little babe, man.